So in today's video, we are going to understand how to apply to the MAHE Manipal for MBA. The most important first thing you have to do is check the eligibility, that first you are eligible or not. Go to visit their website, check what exactly the fees, what specialization they offer, and many more details about the particular college. Now this is simple for the MAHE Manipal, but it can be any other university or college. If you are applying, then first go and check proper eligibility. Now for MAHE, visit the MAHE Manipal official website. Uh, as you can see in the video itself, check properly, go to the all the section, understand what the SOP is there. You have to create your account and register first. This is normal, just entering your name and all this detail as you are seeing here, and you will get a call. That will be a counselor call where you can ask your queries, a lot of questions to them, so that your all the doubts will clear. They will guide you on what are the fees, what is the SOP, detail as per your specialization. So this is what the initial registration level. Now once your counselor call has done, that person is specifically allocated to you from MAHE Manipal, and they will guide you through your entire what you can say, from admission to getting a degree. So initially, after having a call and the interview where you are going to answer some questions, they ask about your eligibility, आपका job क्या है, how much experience you have, what specialization you are interested in, and based on that they will tell you the fee. Initially, there is a registration process. This registration is the proper admission as you are becoming a student. So all the details, your qualification, name, your personal documents, your past certificates and documents, every professional curricular details that you have to fill. So all of that registration will be done by you with the help of the counselor. Now you have to pay the application fee, which is 1500 in year 25. Might be it will change in upcoming years, or may less or more. This registration fee you have to pay, and then you will get one receipt. After that, some procedures are there. You have to wait for particular period. They will approve your profile. If there is any wrong information is there, they will help you to change and approve your entire process as per your eligibility, and then you are a student where you have to pay your final amount of semester fee, or you can go in bulk as well as you can go with the EMI and all these things. Overall, this is very simple. It hardly take a maximum 1 month and minimum 15 days. For me, it was almost 7 to 10 days only. It's like only on a single day I had a call, I had a counseling done, I had an interview. Interview is like they just ask our what exactly you do, your professional background and eligibility, all of those criteria. It's like a doubt query session kind of thing happened. And on the second day itself, I got the registration process and all. I have done the payments and everything, and I was waiting those 10 or 7 days just for the approval, my profile and everything, and just we receive a proper welcome message, email, official email ID and everything from them, and then you will start your journey as a student. And this is very simple. So overall, this is how exactly it happened. So there is a no more what you can say recording sessions of this ki kaise process and all kya. Majority was happened on the call itself. Second was the email and all, and third is the final. Their portal is there where you have to upload the payments and the receipts, everything you will get. Still, I have attached some few screenshots just for your understanding, and I hope you have cleared all the doubts. So that's it for this video, and I hope you understand something. If you know about more about MAHE Manipal and any queries that with respect to admission process, study and completing the education in MBA, then you must watch this playlist, and I will see you to next video. Bye.